Welcome back to Wheelin' Software walkthroughs and how-tos. Today we're going to talk about one of the accessories you can have with Carbide, the 16 output expansion module. Carbide comes standard with 18 outputs, but if you need more you can add two 16 output expansion modules, giving you a total of 50 outputs. It is important to remember that you can have a maximum of two accessories. The light bar and the external siren amplifier do not count as part of the two accessories you can have. I have already selected Create a New Configuration and will now select the 16 output expansion module from the accessories list and click Continue. On the accessories page is where we'll make all our changes to the 16 output expansion module. Here we can turn on and turn off each output. If we select Turn On, we see that the pattern is set to steady by default. If we click on the steady pattern symbol, we open the Edit Flash Pattern window. Here we can rename the output, and I'll call this one Red Ion, and we can select a flash pattern that we want. Here I will choose Single Alert 60. I can set the custom phase and the custom delay. Once all my changes have been made, I can click Apply. Here I see the Single Alert 60 flash pattern symbol has been applied to the output. We can simulate the flash pattern by clicking on the Simulate button. Here, Single Alert 60 is being displayed. If we turn on multiple outputs and we want them to have the same flash pattern, we need to select them first. All selected outputs will be highlighted blue. We can then click on the pattern symbol, opening the Edit Flash Pattern window. All the selected outputs will be listed at the top of this window. We can then select a flash pattern from the flash pattern list. Here I am choosing Action Flash. Then we can set a custom phase, or we could set a custom delay. Once all of our changes have been made, we can click Apply. Here we can see that the four outputs now are displaying the Action Flash Pattern symbol. It is important to deselect all of your outputs before making changes to other outputs. To do this, you can hit your Escape key. You can reduce the intensity of the lighthead you are flashing by checking the Low Power checkbox. You can also set the output to cruise mode to match any light bar cruise settings. It is important when you have more than one output expansion to pay attention to the orange jumper wire image. Here we see the orange jumper wire is not cut. I will load the other output expansion so we can see the difference between the two images. Here both output expansion modules are loaded. We can see the jumper wire is cut in this image and not cut in this image. Please stay tuned for our next video where we talk about the accessories page and the front weekend inner edge. Thanks for watching.